Your basement wall is bowing and you wonder, how can I get it straightened? Stay tuned to find out how basement walls can be straightened. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. Your basement wall holds the weight of your home. When it's not straight, that means that it's not as strong as it needs to be. In this video, I will let you know when it's best to straighten your basement wall, how your basement walls are straightened, and how much straightening a basement wall costs. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. There's about 2 times when it's a good idea to get your basement wall straightened. The first being it's your personal preference. You don't want to look at this wall bowed in and you want it back straight like it was when it was built. The second time when you want to straighten your basement wall is when it's bowing or it has pushed in more than 4 inches. Now, like I said earlier, the weight of your home sits on your basement wall. So when it's bowed in more than 4 inches, you've given up half of your wall's thickness for your home to sit on. And so we want to actually push that wall to fully re-engage that wall to hold up your home appropriately for a long period of time. There's no pretty way to say this or to do this, but basically what we have to do is excavate the entire exterior of that wall, come in with bracing and hydraulic jacks, push that wall back into place. So it's done very manual. Now, the most important part of having your wall straightened is making sure that you have a stabilizing unit such as a carbon fiber strap, wall anchors, or tiebacks on the inside of that wall once it's straight. Since that wall is bowed in, that release point on that wall, that crack, has already happened. And so once you straighten it and you don't put a stabilizing factor, it'll actually push in even quicker if it doesn't just collapse altogether. Now, like I said earlier, it's not just straightening the basement wall. It's also getting a stabilizing unit on that wall, like those straps, those wall anchors, those tiebacks, what I just talked about a little bit earlier. But to just straighten the wall itself, you're going to be at about $300 per foot. Since we have to fully excavate that wall, manually straighten that wall, the other thing that you're going to get with that as well is we're going to seal that wall up on the outside with a vapor barrier to help seal up those cracks that were created on the outside. But in addition to that cost, you're going to have to pay for those straps, wall anchors, or tiebacks to be sure that that wall stays straight forever. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about straightening your basement wall? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.